Hello dear students, today we will discuss question second part 1 of exercise 3.5. For this, firstly we read the statement. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions? In this question we are given the infinite number of solutions and we have to find the value of a and b. Now let us start the solution of this question. First equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Second equation is a minus bx plus a plus by equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Firstly, compared with the general form of equations, a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is constant term is equal to 7. Now, a2 is equal to a minus b, that is a coefficient of x in second equation. b2 is coefficient of y in second equation a plus b. c2 is constant term in second equation 3a plus b minus 2. Now in this question we are given the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. We all of know that when the system of equations have infinitely many solutions, when all ratios of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 are equal. So now the systems of equations have infinitely number of solutions. So we can write ratio a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 are equal. Now substitute all these values in this equations. Now a1 is 2 upon a minus b equal to 3 upon a plus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now for solving this we take two terms at a time. Now I am taking first and third term. From first and third term, this is first term, consider it is first and it is second term and it is a third term. Now from first and third term, that is 2 upon a minus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now how to solve this type of equations? By cross multiplication. Now by cross multiply, now 2 is multiplied by each term of this. Firstly 2 is multiplied by 3a, that is 6a plus 2b minus 4 equal to 7a minus 7b. Now all terms shifted to left side. 6a plus 2b minus 4 minus 7a plus 7b equal to 0. Now like terms, solve the like terms. 6a minus 7a, that is minus a. Now 2b plus 7b, 7 plus 2 is 9b. Only coefficients are added. Now minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have equation a minus a plus 9b equal minus 4 equal to 0. Now minus a is equal to shifting these values to right side by changing their sign. Now plus 9b becomes minus 9b, minus 4 become plus 4. Now multiply by minus sign. So a is equal to 9b minus 4. Taking this is first equation. Now from second and third, again by cross multiply. 3 multiply by 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 7 multiply by a plus b. Now 3 is multiplied by each term, that is 9a plus 3b minus 6. Now 7a plus 7b. Now all terms of right side shifted to left side and making equation equal to 0. 3a plus 9a plus 3b minus 6 minus 7a minus 7b equal to 0. Now solve like terms. Here 9a minus 7a, that is 2a. Now 3 plus 3b minus 7b minus 4b minus 6. Now make it simple equations by dividing it by 2. Now a minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0. Consider this is second equation. Now from first and second equation, first equation is a is equal to 9b minus 4 and second equation a minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0. Substitute the value of a in second equation. Now a is 9b minus 4. Nine b minus 2b 7b minus 7 equal to 0. 7b is equal to 7 and b is equal to 7 upon 7, that is 1. Value of b is 1. Now substitute b in equation first, that is a is equal to 9b minus 4. Now a is equal to 9, b is 1 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. So a is 5 and b is 1. For this value, the given of equations have infinitely many solutions. Now second question, for which value of k will be following pair of linear equations have no solution? Now in this question we are given no solution. For the no solution, we know that what type of conditions are? For no solution, what type of conditions are? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is given to us for solving the above equations. We can use this solution. Now find a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now compare these general form of equations. Now here a1 is 3, b1 is coefficient of y, that is 1, constant term is 1. So a2 means second equation. Now coefficient of x in second equation is 2k minus 1. b2 is coefficient of y in second equation k minus 1. c2 is constant term 2k plus 1 in second equations. Now we are given the for no solution. We all now that where no solution means first two ratios are equal and third ratio is not equal to. Now 3 upon 2k minus 1 equal to 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1, because the system has no solution given to us, because system of equations have no solution. So now solving this type of equations, firstly consider any two equations. I am taking first and second. From first and second, first is 3 upon 2k minus 1, 1 upon k minus 1. By cross multiply, 3k minus 3, 2k minus 1. Now 3k minus 3 minus 2k, all values shifted to the left side by changing their sign. Minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. 3k minus 2k, that is k, minus 2 equal to 0. So k is equal to 2. Now I am taking from equation 1 and 3rd. Now first 3 upon 2k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Is not equal to because we are given no solution. Now first term is equal to second term is not equal to third term. So 3 upon 2k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. It is very important step. Now by cross multiply 3 multiplied by 2k plus 1. Now here sign is not equal to, so take the sign not equal to. Don't change the sign please. 1 is multiplied by 2k minus 1. Now 6k plus 3 is not equal to 2k minus 1. All values shifted to right side, left side by changing their sign. Minus 2k plus 1 is not equal to 0. Now 6k minus 2k 4k plus 4 is not equal to 0. Now 4k is not equal to minus 4. Then k is not equal to minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 1. Now for the first two equations k is equal to 2, and for taking first and third equations k is not equal to minus 1. So our answer is value of k should be 2 and is not equal to minus 1 for obtaining the no solution of these equations. Thank you.